Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Abhilash and I'm a full-time trader by profession. So in this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of NZDUSD, New Zealand dollar, US dollar for 22nd March 2021. So this analysis is for Monday, 22nd March only. You will be seeing me tomorrow again with the analysis for 23rd March. And please do subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other currency pairs. So we can see that the last traded price is 0.7158. Okay, and if you have watched my previous video on NZDUSD, then you know it very well that I was not recommending to trade. Okay, because see, it was in range, and after that it went up. Okay, here, and with the same speed it came down. Okay, and again it is in a range. Okay, there was not much to do here. Okay, but one thing was very clear to us that market was having and still having good or extreme support at this level 0.7100 level. Okay, market has got extreme support at this level. Okay, so I was just recommending you, and still I'll tell you the same thing, that if you get the market okay near 0.7100 level, okay, in this orange line, okay, this line, okay, and just wait for the confirmation. Okay, if you see that market is getting price rejection from below, okay, if you see a hammer kind of a candlestick pattern or a bullish engulfing pattern, okay, or green candle like this, then buy above this line right away. Okay, it is an indication that yes, 0.7100 is a still valid support and market is about to bounce off. Okay, you can buy above this line. On the other hand, one thing that I have noticed here is that uh, just look at this purple line. Okay, this line 0.7151. Okay, this has turned out to be a new support for the market. If you can see, okay, let me remove these drawings. Just see, okay, this level is providing support to the market. Okay, market bounced from here. Okay, though it was not a big run, long run. Okay, still market bounced from here. Again, market took support at this line, bounce, and right now market is just trading at this support. Okay, so this is a good sign, and another good sign is that market is in oversold zone. Okay, so wait for the market. Okay, wait for the market to open on Monday and just observe the price. Okay, wait for 2 3 hours, 4 hours, and just see how the price is doing. If you see that after 3 4 hours stochastic RSI is about to go up, okay, stochastic RSI is indicating that it is ready to go up like this, then just watch the position of the price. If you see that price is still trading above this purple line 0.71555, this level, okay, then just buy above this line. Once you get the confirmation that yes, it is a valid support, okay, just buy. If stochastic RSI also gives you the confirmation, okay, then buy. And in case it crosses the level, then 0.7100 is a strong support for the market and it should provide the required support. Okay, and if you get the opportunity to buy above this level, then it's a good buy also. Okay, what should be your target? Then your target is this level 0.7250. Okay, so this is the analysis for NZD USD, New Zealand dollar, US dollar for 22nd March 2021. Hopefully you've understood, and if you have liked the video and found the video informative, please give a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. Do check out the Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other currency pairs. See ya tomorrow again with the analysis for 23rd March. Thank you so much. All the best. See ya tomorrow.